Imagine a world where your money is completely digital, secure, and free from the control of banks or governments. A world where you can send wealth across the globe in seconds without fees or middlemen. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This is the reality of cryptocurrency, and it's already here. But what exactly is crypto? How does it work? And why is everyone talking about it? Buckle up, because in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to take you on a journey from complete beginner to crypto savvy. And trust me, by the end, you'll see why this isn't just the future, it's the present. Hey, I'm Rayn, and today we're diving into the wild world of crypto. Whether you're here to invest, trade, or just curious, this video will break it all down for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Let's start with something you all know: money. You've got dollars, euros, yen, physical or digital, but always controlled by banks and governments. Cryptocurrency is different. It's a type of digital money that's decentralized, meaning no one owns or controls it. It's powered by something called blockchain technology, which we'll get into soon. Think of crypto as the internet's version of cash. You can send it to anyone, anywhere without needing a bank. And just like cash, it's secure, private, and here's the kicker: its value can skyrocket or plummet based on supply and demand. But why should you care? Well, in 2021, the total value of all cryptocurrency hit over $2 trillion. That's more than the GDP of countries like Canada or Italy. And it's not just Bitcoin. There are over 10,000 different cryptocurrencies, each with unique features and purposes. Take Bitcoin, for example. In 2010, it was worth less than $1. By 2021, it peaked at over $60,000. Imagine buying a pizza for $10 back then. Today, that pizza would be worth millions. Crazy, right? But before you rush to buy, let's understand how this all works. Now, you might be wondering, how can something digital have real value? And more importantly, how does it stay secure without a bank? The answer lies in something called blockchain. Stick around, because this is where it gets really interesting. Let's talk about blockchain, the tech that makes crypto possible. Imagine you and your friends are on a trip, and you're splitting expenses. Normally one person keeps track, but what if they make a mistake or worse, cheat? Blockchain solves this. It's like a shared digital ledger that everyone can see and verify. Every time you spend or receive crypto, it's recorded in a block, and that block is linked to the previous one, forming a chain. Hence, blockchain. But here's the genius part. This ledger isn't stored in one place. It's spread across thousands of computers worldwide, called nodes. Each node has a copy, and they all have to agree on every transaction. So to hack it, you'd need to hack over half of them at the same time. Good luck with that. It's nearly impossible for big networks like Bitcoin. This decentralized system means no single entity, like a bank or government, can control or manipulate it. It's transparent, secure, and trustless. You don't need to trust a middleman. You trust the code. Alex: See, Jamie, blockchain is like a public diary. Everyone can see what's written, but no one can erase or change it once it's locked in. Jamie: But who's making sure it's accurate? Isn't there a chance someone could fake a transaction? Alex: That's where miners come in. They're like the auditors of the blockchain, solving complex math problems to verify transactions. In return, they earn crypto rewards. It's a win-win. Exactly. And this process, called mining, keeps the network running. But not all cryptos use mining. Some use staking, where you lock up your coins to help validate transactions. It's like earning interest on your savings. Now that you get how blockchain works, you're probably wondering, what's the difference between all these cryptos? Is it just Bitcoin, or is there more? Let's find out. Bitcoin might be the poster child, but there's a whole universe of cryptocurrencies. Let's break down the main types. First up, Bitcoin, the original. Created in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is often called digital gold. Why? Because it's scarce. Only 21 million will ever exist. It's designed to be a store of value, like gold, but for the digital age. People use it to hedge against inflation or as an investment. Then there's Ethereum, which is more than just a currency. It's a platform where developers can build decentralized apps, or dApps. These apps can do anything from lending money without banks to creating digital art. Ethereum's currency, Ether, powers these transactions. It's like the fuel for a massive decentralized computer. There are also altcoins like Litecoin, which is faster and cheaper than Bitcoin, or Ripple, designed for cross-border payments. And let's not forget meme coins like Dogecoin, which started as a joke but became a sensation thanks to viral hype and celebrity tweets. But here's a twist. Not all cryptos are meant to be money. Some, like Chainlink, help blockchains talk to real-world data. Others, like Filecoin, let you rent out storage space. It's a diverse ecosystem, and each crypto has its own purpose. So now you know what's out there. But how do you actually get your hands on some crypto? And more importantly, how do you keep it safe? That's next. Buying crypto is surprisingly straightforward. Here's how it works. First, you need an exchange, a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade crypto. Think of it like a digital stock market. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. You'll sign up, verify your identity, and link a payment method, like a bank account or credit card. Then you can buy your chosen crypto. Pro tip: start small. Crypto is volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Once you've bought crypto, you need to store it securely. That's where wallets come in. There are two types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are apps or websites connected to the internet. They're convenient for trading but riskier because they can be hacked. Cold wallets, like hardware devices, are offline and much safer. They're like a USB vault for your crypto. Jamie: wait, so if I leave my crypto on the exchange, it's not safe? Alex: exactly. Exchanges can get hacked. Remember the saying, not your keys, not your crypto. If you don't control the private key, it's not truly yours. Jamie: got it, so I should move it to a wallet? Alex: yep. For small amounts, a hot wallet is fine. But for serious holdings, get a cold wallet like Ledger or Trezor. And one more thing, never share your private key. It's like the password to your crypto. Lose it and you lose your money. No customer service can help you. But here's the million-dollar question. Is crypto a good investment, or is it too risky? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Crypto is exciting, but it's not without risks. Let's start with the elephant in the room: volatility. Crypto prices can swing wildly. In 2017, Bitcoin surged from $1,000 to $20,000, only to crash to $3,000 in 2018. Then in 2021, it hit $60,000. It's a roller coaster. But for some, that's the appeal: high risk, high reward. Take the story of Eric Finman. He invested $1,000 in Bitcoin at age 12. By 18, he was a millionaire. But for every success, there are stories of loss. In 2022, the Terra Luna crash wiped out $40 billion in days. So tread carefully. There are other risks too. Governments could crack down on crypto, exchanges can be hacked, and scams are everywhere. Always do your research. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes, but the rewards, they're huge. Crypto offers financial freedom, potential for massive gains, and a hedge against inflation. Some experts predict Bitcoin could hit $100,000 or more in the next few years. And beyond investing, crypto is innovating finance with DeFi, decentralized apps that let you lend, borrow, or earn interest without banks. So, is crypto the future, or just a fad? Let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. Here's the bottom line. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's a movement. It's about decentralization, freedom, and innovation. But it's not without risks. If you're thinking of diving in, start small, educate yourself, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, crypto is still young. We're in the early days, and the potential is massive. Whether you're here to invest, trade, or just learn, you're now equipped with the basics. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Want to start your crypto journey? Check out the links in the description for trusted exchanges and wallets. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.